To my Telugu prekshakaluku, I want to not say but do something for you all, and I just want to say tahe dil se thank you. Nenu chala anandanga undi, santoshanga undi, and this is not possible because you guys made me your Telugu Ammai. Today, it's such a special day for me, and I can't even tell you, I can't even describe it in words. Sita Ramam. Hi Nana. And now family star. Parshuram sir, thank you for not giving up on me and casting me in this film. First 15 days were tough, but later, in my head, in my heart, I knew no one can play Indu like me. I love Indu so much. I love everything about this film, this process. Vijay, I think it's every girl's dream to work with the Rowdy Vijay, who is now going to be the family star. And I got this lovely opportunity to work with Bama. Rohini ma'am, she's not here today. And this beautiful little kids, Uha, Sanvi, Karthik, Likit, and Kushi, who's not here. But this was, and my Vadina, this was a beautiful journey. Dilraju sir, this is our second and we have to sign a third. But over and above, I think the first time Gopi Sundar sir, I am collaborating with him, and his music, Kalyani Vacha Vacha, has just literally made my, that, you know, that dance and that mass, and yeah, exactly. Ma'am, thank you for lending me your voice, so beautiful. Hanshu, thank you. And before going, I just want to say, I want to dedicate this film to my Nana. Hi Nana, my family star. And I'm so happy for him to be present here on this special day of mine. Guys, 5th April, promise me, you'll go with your family star. Promise kada? Evandi, I can't hear you. Promise? Love you all, love you, dil se. Thank you.
Thank you so much, thank you. And ఇప్పుడు బిగ్ టికెట్ లాంచ్ చేయక ముందు మన దిల్రాజు గారి సతీమణి గారు తేజస్విని గారిని వేదిక మీదకి రావాల్సిందిగా రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. అలాగే పరశురామ్ గారి వైఫ్ అర్చన గారిని కూడా వేదిక మీదకి రావాల్సిందిగా రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. ఫ్యామిలీ స్టార్కి ఫ్యామిలీస్ కూడా ఉంటే బాగుంటుంది ఫర్ ద బిగ్ టికెట్. అండ్ అపరెంట్లీ మృణాల్స్ పేరెంట్స్ ఆర్ ఆల్సో హియర్. Vandana garu and Uday garu to please come on stage. Mrunal Thakur's parents.
Mama, come.
She's wearing headphones.
Yeah, she's wearing the plugs.
And meeku oka good news.
I'll get them.
Ippude me
I'll get them.
Narsimhareddy garu and me yajamanyam oka permission icharu. So April 15th రోజు మీకు హాఫ్ డే నుంచి హాలిడే ఫర్ ఫ్యామిలీస్